Look at you. You're trembling. It's alright, sweetheart. Don't move. Stay right there on the chair. It's crushed velvet. Very soft. Perfect for what's coming next. Lily, I think they're ready.
I can hear their heartbeat from the hallway, Peaches. Oh, it's such a frantic little rhythm. Thump, 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 thump. Like a trapped bird.
Don't be scared of her. She's just a bit more enthusiastic about these things. You humans are so very fascinating. So, I'm Peaches, and this is Lily. We've been watching you for quite some time, you know. We think you're the perfect for initiation. Of course. We wouldn't have invited you here tonight if we didn't think you were absolutely exquisite.
Exquisite is an understatement. Look at that skin. So soft and warm. It's almost a shame to change it. But then again, wouldn't you rather stay this beautiful forever? No more aging. No more tired mornings. No more endings. Just us and the rest of eternity.
Don't forget the parties. You'd be surprised how sociable vampires can be. Oh, the things we'll show you. All of this will be worth it. I promise. Are you sure you want to be turned? There's no going back once you do. Okay, sweetie. I am going to start by cleaning your neck and shoulders. It's a bit of a ritual for us. This oil smells like jasmine and blood orange. Lean back for me. That's it. Good.
You're doing so well, little bird. Just breathe. Deep breaths. Focus on the scent of the jasmine. Focus on the way Peach's hands feel. She has such a gentle touch, doesn't she?
I have to. I know how sensitive and fragile you humans are. That's it. You're doing so good. Keep staying still for me. I'm just gonna run the cloth along your collarbone now. And up the side of your neck. Your pulse is right there. It's so strong. It's almost distracting.
Focus, Peaches, darling. We can't have any slip-ups so early in the process.
I know. I'm just admiring the view. You have such a lovely neck. Truly. As going to look even better once we're finished.
Now, while Peaches finishes the prep, I want you to look at me. Peaches mentioned you have a certain fear of the dark, yes? Okay. I want you to look into my eyes. That's it. Do you see it? That spark of red. Look closely. That is what's waiting for you. A world of color you've never even dreamed of. The darkness is feared by many, except those who can see past it.
Okay, darling. This is a little tonic I made. It's not the turn yet, so don't worry. It's just something to dull the sting. It'll make you feel floaty. Open up. Good. Just a little drop on the tongue. There. Good. It tastes like honey, doesn't it? That's the special ingredient. Now, just relax your shoulders. Let your head fall back against the cushions. That's it. You're handling this beautifully. Such a brave little mortal.
Can you feel it starting to work? The way the room feels a bit softer. That's it. That's the feeling of letting go. You've spent your whole life being afraid of the dark. But tonight, the dark is going to be your best friend.
I'm going to brush your hair back now. We want a clear path. I don't want anything getting in the way of Lily's work. Oh. You have such soft hair. I could play with it for hours. Maybe I will, after you wake up. You have all the time in the world now.
It's time, Peaches. The moon is at its peak.
It's so bright tonight.
Now, love, this part will be intense. There will be a moment of pain, yes, but it will be followed by a rush of ecstasy like nothing you've ever felt. It's the feeling of your soul expanding. It's the feeling of becoming.
I'll hold your hand. Here. Squeeze as hard as you need to. I'm right here, okay? I'm not going anywhere. You're so brave. You're my favorite person we've ever chosen. Did you know that?
I'm going to start on the right side. Don't pull away. If you pull away, it might be messy, and we want you to be perfect. Just stay perfectly still.
I know. That's it, sweetheart. Shh. It's okay. You're doing so good. I know it hurts. I know, but look at me. Look at me. Okay, keep your eyes on me. Just squeeze my hand. Yeah, there so proud of you. You're doing so well for Lily. She's being very careful. I promise.
Oh, your blood. It's even sweeter than it smells.
My turn? Can I?
Be quick, Peaches. We need to give them the gift before the heart slows too much.
I'll be fast, I promise. Ready, darling? Other side now. Just a pinch. Oh, wow. You're delicious. I almost didn't want to stop, but I have to, because now comes the best part.
This is the exchange. The blood for the blood. The life for the life. I'm going to make a small mark on my wrist, and I want you to drink. It's the only way to bridge the gap.
It's going to taste like the best thing you've ever had. Better than chocolate. Better than wine. It's going to feel like fire in your veins, but the good kind. The kind that makes you feel powerful.
Drink, little bird. Drink and be reborn.
Oh, look. It's working.
That's enough. Slow down. You don't want to overwhelm your system.
There you go. Lay back. Lay back. The fire is going to start spreading now. It might feel a bit cold at first, and very hot. That just means it's all working as it should.
Rest your eyes. We'll be right here when you wake up. The transition takes a few hours, but we'll stay. We'll watch over you. I'll wipe the blood from your chin. There.
You're one of us now. Our beautiful, eternal companion. I can't wait to see your eyes when you wake up. I bet they'll be stunning.
Sleep now, little bird. You've done so well.
Sweet dreams, fledgling. We'll be here when the hunger starts. We're going to take such good care of